Ditch that clunky thank you page and supercharge your form tracking right inside Google Tag Manager. First, let's identify the form we want to track. Navigate to the web page containing the form you're interested in. Examine the form structure. Noting its unique attributes, open your browser's developer tools by right-clicking on the form and selecting Inspect or Inspect Element. This reveals the form's HTML code. Here, you'll search for a specific identifier, such as the ID or class attributes of the form. Look for unique identifiers to distinguish this form from others. If no unique identifiers are available, you may need to use a data layer variable that the form triggers after submission. Write down the form ID, class, or any other identifying attribute for later use. Next, access your Google Tag Manager account in GTM. Navigate to Variables and select Configure in the Built-in Variables section. Enable all elements, click Classes, click ID, Form Classes, and Form ID. We need those built-in variables to help identify the form submission. Moving on to creating a trigger, select Triggers from the left-hand menu, and click on New. Choose the form submission trigger type. Select some forms. In the Fire On section, this is where we specify the condition for the form submission. Choose your trigger based on the form's attributes you noted earlier. For example, selecting form ID or form classes, or creating a trigger based on the data layer. Enter a condition that accurately reflects your form. Like if you have an ID, then select form ID and enter your specific form ID, such as newsletter signup. Now we need to create our tag. Select Tags from the left menu and click New. Choose the Google Analytics GA for event tag type. Enter your Google Analytics measurement ID and select event name. Under event parameters, add form submission as the key and form submitted as an example value. Then select your trigger you created earlier in the triggering section as the trigger for firing the tag. Save the settings and publish your container. Now test your form submit and see your new tag hit in real-time reporting. Tracking form submissions without a thank you page saves time and gets valuable data. #GTM tips #form tracking.